fascinating tale of General Motors' 1980s design philosophy is a story of intriguing contradictions. On one hand, the company's decision to create distinct sheet metal designs for various models, despite sharing common platforms and powertrains, was a bold move. On the other hand, this approach ultimately led to a homogeneous look across the GM lineup, leaving many to wonder if the effort was truly worth it. As we delve into the world of 1980s GM design, it becomes apparent that the company's strategy was not simply a matter of slapping different badges on identical cars. Rather, GM invested significant resources into crafting unique exterior designs for each model. The A-body cars, which included the Chevrolet Celebrity, Pontiac 6000, Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra, and Buick Century, are a prime example of this approach. At first glance, these cars may appear to be virtual clones of one another. However, upon closer inspection, subtle differences in their design become apparent. The Chevrolet Celebrity, for instance, boasts a distinctive reverse cut on its header panel, whereas the Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra features a straight line where the header panel meets the fender. The Pontiac 6000, meanwhile, has a longer hood that extends all the way to the front of the vehicle, giving it a more pronounced snout. These differences extend beyond the front end, as each model features distinct fenders, quarter panels, and deck lids. Even the doors, while sharing common upper panels, have unique lower sections that set them apart from one another. The Buick Century, for example, has a gently curved door lower, whereas the Pontiac 6000 features a crease that runs along the length of the door. The X-body cars, which included the Chevrolet Citation, Pontiac Phoenix, and Buick Skylark, also exhibit similar design differences. The Citation and Phoenix, while sharing a common wheel arch design, have distinct fender profiles and crease lines. The Skylark, meanwhile, boasts a unique round wheel arch design that sets it apart from its siblings. The C-body cars, introduced in 1985, took this design philosophy to new heights. The Oldsmobile 98 Regency, Buick Electra, and Cadillac DeVille, while sharing common platforms, feature entirely unique sheet metal designs. The DeVille, in particular, boasts a distinctive aircraft style, dogged design that sets it apart from its more mundane siblings. Despite these design differences, the end result was often a homogeneous look that left many customers scratching their heads. The Lincoln Town Car's 1986 advertising campaign, which poked fun at the similarities between the C-body cars, is a testament to this phenomenon. In retrospect, GM's decision to invest in unique sheet metal designs for each model may seem like a costly and unnecessary endeavor. However, it's also a testament to the company's commitment to creating distinct personalities for each of its brands. While the end result may not have been entirely successful, it's undeniable that GM's design philosophy of the 1980s was a bold and intriguing experiment. As we look back on this era, it's clear that GM's designers were facing a daunting challenge. The company's decision to downsize its vehicles in response to changing market trends and regulatory pressures meant that designers had to work with smaller canvases. The result was a design language that emphasized clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on functionality. Despite the challenges, GM's designers persevered, creating a range of vehicles that, while not always visually stunning, were undoubtedly distinctive. The 1980s may not have been the most glamorous era for GM design, but it was certainly an interesting and influential period that laid the groundwork for the company's future design directions. In the end, GM's design philosophy of the 1980s was a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that defies easy categorization. While it may not have been entirely successful in creating a range of visually distinct vehicles, it was undoubtedly a bold and intriguing experiment that continues to fascinate car enthusiasts to this day.